Hello, my name is Jonathan. 我叫 Jonathan. 我是国际学校的英语老师. I am an English teacher at an international school, and I currently live in Singapore. So I'm making this video just to talk about the Highway to Fluency course and how it might help you. Well, I had a decent knowledge of vocabulary. It was slowly starting to build up. However, my knowledge of 语法, of grammar, was very poor and very limited, and I found that a real struggle. Well, as I said, I was really struggling with grammar, so the course really helped me understand sort of the grammar nuances of the Chinese language. And as a result of knowing more, I'm now much more confident at structuring sentences in Chinese. Well, Kelly is experienced and clearly an expert in her field with a proven track record, and I was impressed with how she was able to explain complicated aspects of the Chinese language in a way that I could really comprehend. I enjoyed how she made an effort to incorporate parts of Chinese culture within the lessons, because that's very important when you're learning a language, to also learn about the culture. And within the videos there was also practice components, which I thought was great. The course is great value for money, and if you're working full-time like me and learning Chinese part-time, I found it great that I was able to go through the 27 lessons at my own pace. And the lesson notes can also be downloaded, which is fantastic for reviewing after the lesson. The reason I would recommend this course is because it focuses on practical Chinese that will help you in everyday conversations. And if you're anything like me, when you finish the course, you will have a great sense of accomplishment. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed my video, and good luck on your journey on the highway to fluency.